moments later.
Welcome to meet the outdoors. So today we're discussing the legend of climbing Talagu. While Mr. Rudiasa, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Can you tell us about the legend?
To either cow, I haven't fished time ground. So let's eat. Outside I etiquette sinking the delay.
What's the
How small as young can have big consequences.
Thanks, Mr. Rudiasa. That's all for today.
Then